Hey friends, it's Em here from the Mom Edit. I'm here to talk to you today about some of the beauty faves that I realized I've been buying over and over again and I haven't shared yet. So all of these are found on Amazon. They're all great price point, and you know I'm kind of like low maintenance when it comes to beauty, so nothing that needs a lot of like practice or tutorials on how to use, just easy, straightforward, fun finds that can get to you in a couple days or so. So the first thing I wanted to share with you is Dashing Diva. These are gloss nail decals. I am wearing them now. They each come with enough to do, for me at least, 2 manicures. Plus I save all the little odds and ends that I don't use, and if you have nail scissors, you can trim them to fit, and then I put them on Lana, or I use them as accent nails when I do future manicures. They're like $8 to $10 a pack, so that's 2 manicures that you get. They have the finish of nail polish. They stay on for, they say up to 14 days. I've gotten super lazy about them and left them on for like 3 weeks before. I can do them in 1 episode of a show. So, I mean, not a Bluey. You can't do them in a Bluey episode, but you can do them in an episode of a grown-up show. And there's 0 dry time. So it's perfect if you have kids. It's perfect for using on kids. Like I said, I do sometimes little manicures with Lana, and you can't beat the price point. Let's talk about this little guy. This is Tarte's Amazonian Clay Gifted Mascara. That's what I'm wearing here. One of my friends who is gorgeous, but also vegan and plant-based, recommended this when I said, can you recommend a cruelty-free, plant-based mascara that doesn't smudge? And she was like, girl, I got you. She recommended this. I also use it about half the time with Tarte's primer as well. You can see the brush is just fairly standard, nothing too special. It coats the lashes really well. It gives a lot of volume, a lot of length, and like I said, it doesn't smudge. So even if I'm wearing like a heavy moisturizing eye cream or something like that, there's no smudge, no flaking. One of the other things that I love picking up on Amazon is face masks. These are the 2 brands that I usually gravitate toward. This is a limited edition one from the holidays, but it's like cream, or I guess it's Clem, see the little E, Clem and Hello Kitty collab. The masks are so cute. They're like $12 to $15 usually for 3 masks. I use them as stocking stuffers. I love anything from this brand that has hyaluronic acid in it. It just always leaves your skin feeling energized. It's like a boost of caffeine for your face. Like I take it off and I'm always like, oh my God, my face feels freaking good. There is the exact same formula in non-holiday packaging. I'll link it up for you. Then the Pick Up and Go brand, they have all these fruity face masks. They also make fruity foot masks that are super fun. You put them on like a little sleeve on your foot, or I guess like a little booty on your foot, and they make your feet feel so silky and lovely. It just feels like pampering, but it's extremely accessible. This is the orange variety, obviously. There's one that smells divine and it's cherry. I'm out of that one. I just feel like if I'm gonna put something on my face, why not put something on my face that's gonna keep working afterwards, like allowing my face to just revel in moisture. So those 2 mask brands are my fave. I shared this little guy on social media recently. This is a Winky Lux Clear Lip Balm. It doesn't look clear anymore because I've used it so much, but when you buy it, it's clear and it's confetti colored inside, and then it adjusts, I'm already wearing it, it adjusts to the pH in your lips and gives you like a customized pink color. That's what it says. I don't know if that's true. What I do know is that it gives like this very flirty but subtle pink color, and I usually wear more peaches than pinks, but this is just enough of a cool pink to kind of like make your smile look brighter, and it doesn't have any funky smells or anything. It's gorgeous in its little bullet packaging. This is another Winky Lux product that I use. This one, I don't know if they make this one. This is from the holidays. So it has little snowflakey things in it. I don't know if they make the exact same one, but they make the same lip gloss formula. And this is like a lip oil. Together, just gives so much moisture without any color, and it doesn't feel sticky because it's an oil, but it also doesn't travel all over your face and make it look like you just went to town on a package of McDonald's fries. It's just subtle and moisturizing and lovely. And again, it has gorgeous little chrome packaging, and the one that is available now I think might have different fun little things embedded in it. This one has those little snowflakes, but any Winky Lux lip oil that you can get, good. Let's talk about brows. This brow glue I have shared on social also. It's Nyx Brow Glue, and it's a little disconcerting at first because it legitimately looks like a tube of super glue, but I use this in conjunction with this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer almost every day. It's what I'm wearing today. It is the most foolproof combination that I have found for my brows, which are quite unruly. They will look fabulous in the morning when I do them, and then 5 minutes later, they typically just like droop right back down. So trick with this is I do 1 coat of this, brush the brows into place, then I go in with this pencil. It's just the right width for me, and it's also just the right texture. The waxiness is just right. And put this on after I've combed them up with the brow glue, and then I do one more pass with the brow glue just to set them. The 1-2. This is the brow team here, Amazon Brow Team. All right, and then the last thing that is a new to me discovery, which is absolutely phenomenal and really fun, something that the girls love as well, is this B.O.B. Brush on Block. I think that's what it stands for. B.O.B. Mineral Sunscreen, and it is a powder sunscreen that comes in a brush. You kind of just tap, tap, tap until the brush fills with the powder, and then you swirl it, buff it, for lack of a better word. It looks in the jar like it's tinted. It's not really tinted. They basically just make it so that it's not a pure white powder, and it's chemical free. The biggest win by far is that I can put this on Lana's face with zero fuss. I can even do Eleanor's face. She's 13 months with zero fuss. The other sunscreen, whether it's a stick or a cream that I apply with a makeup sponge, there's at least some resistance, and there's zero resistance with this. And it's still, I think, water resistant up to 80 or 90 minutes, despite the fact that it is a powder. So we've loved this for spring. I'm gonna be packing it around in the beach bag for sure for summer. And it's a little on the pricey side, but so far we've only used one container over the past couple of months, and we still have a fair amount in it. That includes when we took it on vacation. So I don't see having to buy it more than a couple of times a year. I think it's like 25, 26 bucks, which is about the same price that we usually pay when we forget to bring sunscreen on vacation and you end up buying it at the convenience store. So handy to have, and by far the preferred choice of my kiddos. Thank you so much for joining us. Those are the products that I am absolutely loving from Amazon right now, and a little peek into my beauty routine. If you have any questions, drop them below. Follow us on all the things. Click the little subscription thing to subscribe, and make sure that you check back often for more fun finds from us here on Mom Edit. Bye.